Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with a few essentials. Make sure your phone is unlocked and you can enter its PIN or biometric. Open Settings, go to About Phone. On some devices, use Software Info and locate build number. Tap build number 7 times. You'll see a toast or countdown that explains progress. Once done, the system will say, "You are now a developer." That action flips the hidden switch and makes the Developer Options menu visible in Settings. Once Developer Options appears, go there immediately. Typically Settings right arrow System right arrow Developer Options, or use the Settings search bar. Flip the main toggle to enable the suite. Android will ask for your PIN, confirm it to prevent accidental enable. From here, enable USB debugging for a DB access, and only enable OEM unlocking if you plan to unlock the bootloader. Make sure you understand these choices. They change device security and can expose your phone if left on unnecessarily. To finish, configure only the features you need. Set Select USB configuration for file transfer, enable Stay Awake for development sessions, or allow mock locations for testing. When you're done, revoke USB debugging authorizations and toggle developer options off to reduce risk. That resets many settings. If tapping build number didn't enable developer mode, check for device admin or work profile restrictions, or open.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.